Hey guys, welcome back to this exciting edition of this particular channel. My name is Edu Amankwa Isaac, popularly known as Ikesoft Original, and today we are bringing you another exciting edition of a series coming up. And on this series, we're gonna see how we can create um, our own Android app, which is Android video editing software, or let's say Android video editing app, which was recommended by someone. Actually, I don't know how this is going to be from the beginning, so we will all learn together, right? Good. So first of all, we will be tackling the UI first. Then we look through how the functionalities works. So this series is going to be a long series. It's going to be a longer series, so don't worry about anything at all. But I would like for us to go through King Master features and how it works and all that, so we'll get to know how the whole thing works. So actually, King Master has its own FAQ function here, which of course it opens like a URL launcher, inbuilt URL launcher, to launch up an internet explorer, which gives you something like this. So it is fetching from a REST API, right? Good. So it has some sort of API where it will be fetching from, right? So we will be building all these, and I'm hoping to fetch it from somewhere. It's either we fetch it from the Firebase or we fetch it from MySQL, right? Perfect. Using PHP as the back end. Okay, so all these are being stored in the database, so you will see how it's going to be. And then the what is new to it's kind of the same thing. They are fetching from the API, where it's going to tell you that, hey, this feed coming up is coming from the server. So what is new here? So all these are the features they've added from their back end, I mean their server side, which of course is quite interesting. Okay, so we will be tackling all these as time goes on. And then they have the settings section, where of course they have a lot of features here, which of course we're gonna build a UI similar like the same thing. They have get projects and also create project. Here they have just a pop-up balloon or a tip balloon, which will tell you that tap to create, or tap the create new button to start editing, right? And then they have a subscribe now button here, which of course I believe it's gonna redirect you to the Play Store to subscribe to their monthly package, right? Which of course we're gonna build this screen as well. So perfect. And they have this create new project, which of course we're just gonna click on create new, and we have some sort of new screen up here, which of course it comes along with you have to select in within dimensions and all that. So we're just gonna go through that. Then just select the dimension, you come down, right? Then you select the duration and all that. I don't think we're gonna, okay, so we will see to it. We'll see how we can work up with this. That is the photo duration and then the transition duration, right? So we'll see how the UI works. But I would like for us to maintain this front page, or let's say this front aspect ratio, with this project name for the first time. So this is what we actually going to do in this project. So let's assume that I create a test project in King Master. So just click on next, and that is actually going to create this whole window for us. So basically we're going to create this whole window, and we're going to see how it's going to be done, and we will be trying our possible best to explain everything for you to understand. And the language we're going to use to write this with a framework, the framework is going to be Flutter, and the back end, or let's say the language, is going to be the Dart language, and we're going to use Android Studio to build this from scratch. So now, how can we get started? Let's see how we can get started. So basically, I'd like to close this King Master once. Okay, so let me just go back here. So we have all these here. I think we're gonna do that, so don't worry. So let's create our first project in this video, and on our next video we're gonna see how we can push forward to do a lot of things from here. So now let's create our new project. So just have to launch up your Android Studio. So wherever you have your Android Studio, just launch it up, And also I have an Android tablet emulator here, which of course I'm going to use that to I'm going to use that as my source of project building, right? So that is what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use this is just going to be a reference to my project, right? So with my Android Studio, I'm just going to click on new Flutter project. So if you don't know what Flutter is, please go to flutter.dev and learn a lot about Flutter before you come back. Learn how to install it. I'll try to do a video on all these things, how to install Flutter and configure it on your Windows and Mac. I'll just try to build that app so that it's going to be much more awesome. So I'll just quickly select Flutter, then I click on next. So from here I'm just going to give it a name. So I'm just going to say iTech, maybe the project name should be in small letters, right? So I'm just going to say Ikesoft, let's say video editor tutorial, video underscore editor tutorial, right? So just leave it like that. So you can just give your organization a name. So I'm just going to say com.ikesoft.video editor app. That is going to be my package name. So from here I'm just going to maintain this, and then I can even add a web to this, and I will just click on finish to create my project. So make sure you have a directory where your project is going, and it is going to my desktop and my lessons, and it is going to video editing or video editor tutorials, right? Perfect. That is awesome. So let's click on finish. Let's wait for it to quite create our first project, then we see the way forward. Voila, perfect. So we have our software, we have our project here, and I really love this because when you first create your Flutter project, this is what it gives you. It just gives you a bunch of files here. If you are new to Flutter, I think you have to get to know what Flutter is all about, right? Before you can hop right into this lesson so you learn. So it just gives us a dummy project, which of course I'm just gonna start the emulation by just running it out on my on my, I think what is the name for this one? Let me just check it out. A minute, guys. Yes, so we're just gonna run this on our first project. So let's see, this is the 86, and we have this. They looks like the same thing, guys. So let me quickly, oh no, you've got to be kidding me. Okay, so let's run it on this. Let's see how it's gonna be. So that is the tablet one. So just let's run this on the tablet one. So we are just running our first project on this tablet. Because it is a fresh project, it's just going to take a while to complete this process. So just have to take your time, to go through, make sure it is well configured, make sure it is well installed, make sure you have everything working perfectly fine before you move on. Alright guys, so when it's done, we'll see how our project works, and it's quite amazing. Because this video is going to be in series section, I don't want to waste a lot of time on this, so I will quickly tell you that if you've not subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe to my channel so that you won't be missing this Keen Master project lesson. We are bringing it out onto this channel. So if you are willing to learn how to build your own editing application in any of the languages, I mean either in Flutter using the Dart language, then this is the right channel for you. Alright guys, so until we meet again on our next lesson, where we will be starting the UI development or the structure. Have a nice day, and Ikesoft Original is out.